Water filter, trial 1. First thing you should do is gather your materials. Next, test your dirty water using the test strip. Then cut the bottom off of your bottle. Next, poke a hole in the cap. I did this using a pen. Next, put cloth or cotton down by the bottom of the cap. Now get your charcoal ready. Add some charcoal into the bottom of the bottle. It should be about 2 inches of charcoal. Then add small rocks. On top of that layer, add bigger rocks. Next, you should put a cup underneath your filter and test using your dirty water. Pour it into the top of the filter. The filter is complete.
Alright, there you go. It's getting yellow.
Your purified water should come into the cup at the bottom. My purified water was black because of the charcoal. I tested it using my second test strip. I concluded that it was black because the charcoal was a different kind that dissolved. Bleach, trial 2, as explained by Monica.
So this is the bleach method of purifying water. So what you need first is, 1 liter of dirty water. Dirty water can be runoff, sewage, or just dirt and water. Then you also need 2 or 3 test strips. The minimum is 2 because you need 1 for before and 1 after. Our group got ours from Miss Espinosa, so that was covered. You also need chlorine bleach. This is the most important part because it acts as the purifier. And it has to be unscented or else it won't work. Okay, so for the actual experiment, it's actually really easy. All you have to do first is test the dirty water with the first test strip, and then after record the results for later. Then you add 2 to 3 drops of bleach. It's 2 to 3 depending on whether or not your water is really, really dirty or it's just like ew, like that. After you mix it in and then you let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes. Okay, now for the results. What you do is you test the newly mixture after you waited with the second test strip, and then you compare the 2 test strips as well as the water visual. If it looks cleaner, then the experiment worked, and if it looks not as good and the test strip doesn't have as good of results as it should have, don't drink it. Yep, and this was the bleach method.
There are both methods of water purification.